Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you on how to reset Instagram password if forgotten. So, let's get started. Open Instagram app. Of course, you have to log in. In case that you forgot your password, you can just simply fix and still open your account. So to do that, click this forget password and you have your options here. You can reset your password through email or username and or mobile number. In my case, I will enter my username here and the code will be sent to my WhatsApp or SIM card messages. Next, you will see right here to where the code will be sent. If you didn't receive a code, you can click this try another way to change your options of where you want to send the code. Now that we have the code, let's enter the code and click again. In here, you have to create a new password for your Instagram account. You also have the option if you want to log out your account from other devices that you're using. Just tick this small box below. After creating, click continue, then you are successful in recovering your account. So, that's how to reset Instagram password if forgotten. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos.